Hi there, welcome back once again my YouTube channel. This is another video for the macOS series. In this tutorial we will see how we have to update that macOS with the help of that terminal with your pass command, and the same thing we have to check the GUI, how we have to update if any recent release or any released patch released which is released by that Apple, how do we have to proceed. So let's begin it here. Open your macOS. First you have to go in the spotlight search. Over there you have to search terminal, hit enter. You will get that this bash command. First I have to check the uptime of that machine. Okay, hit enter. Next we have to check that how much space we do have in that our directory. So df-h, I'll get this mount point is 48 gigabits I do have. Next I have to check that what the update we do have for this machine. SW hit enter. Here you can see product version 12.1. I guess about this Mac. Yeah, so it's the same version we have raised here. Okay, so let's run next command. Software update. Here, update that space list. It will check that available software which is released for this machine. The same thing will check in the system preference, the GUI best here. Next, software update. Okay, updatable for your macOS. More info. Okay, so here the same 12.6.9. Restart is required. The same thing will get in terminal also. If you require more, read out that KB. Minimize this. Okay, so software the same thing. Replace the minus L here. Put minus I space. So copy this title. That paste it here. Yeah, this thing we have to put the comma both side. Spec. Okay, here we'll put that comma. Now so here I have to put minus R. Hit the enter key. Restart required. Root already. Okay, let's see. We'll wait some time. If it is not, let it be this way. We'll check it if required. Root privilege, we'll do it later on. Okay, so it's asking for okay root privilege. So we have to put that before this sudo. Okay, sudo password enter. Okay, finding a level software. Let's wait some time. It will connect the cloud and it will whatever that required patches which is released for this machine, it will download. And once it is completely download, it will ask us to reboot this machine to, yeah, it's downloading here. Okay, it's 13%. So let's wait some time. Let it be complete 100%. Then we'll see. After reboot, we'll again search if any required update is still pending for this machine. If any superseded KB is released for this machine, we'll check this also KB. We'll install it in this machine. So 17. Okay, let's check the space. So open another terminal. Off, cancel it. Yeah, new profile basic. Again, mess here. I'll check it. DF finance agent. So still 32 is what it was. 48% available, now it's 32%. Yeah, okay, let's check the directory. cd disk tab is not working. Still in the same directory. cd temp. So let's check the process. Oh yeah, it's still happening. Still that process is running. Okay, let it be here. Leave it. Exit. Okay, so it's now 100% is completed. It is asking for reboot. Yeah, terminate. And that let's reboot this machine here. Reboot. Hit enter. Sudo. Okay, it will take some time, then it will go for reboot. Yeah, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.